We're in downtown St. Paul, Minnesota for the 2019 Food Truck Festival. I'm Jon Ashton, and this is What America Eats. In the last several years, nothing in the culinary world has seen a rise quite like the food truck. It only makes sense that there be a gathering to celebrate these mobile eateries. In the aptly named uptown neighborhood of Minneapolis, there exists a festival that does just that. Every year, nearly 6 dozen food trucks meet for one of the Twin Cities' most popular and delicious free events. To understand more about the origins of this festival, I met with Jess, one of the festival's organizers.
People really love this event. We love this event, and it makes us so happy that so many people want to come here and be with us. Right?
How many trucks are here today?
40.
And there's all different types of cuisine?
Everything that you can think of, from hibachi, sushi. We've got macaroni and cheese, New Zealand homemade pies. I mean, It's incredible.
Why do you think this has grown so much, this festival?
Well, originally when the festival was started, it was 2013, and it was just in uptown Minneapolis. We decided to expand on that, and so now we have 3 events, and it just gives all these different people from all the outskirts of the Twin Cities a chance to come and enjoy them.
Yeah.
And experience food trucks when they normally wouldn't. There's lots of stuff to see and do here, and we also have all sorts of mobile businesses, not just mobile restaurants. So we've got like a mobile escape room. We've got a mobile men's salon where they do haircuts and beard trims and all sorts of stuff. So I mean, there's a lot of cool stuff here.
Is there any foods that you should try that capture the local?
Here in Minnesota, we really like our tater tots.
Tater tot?
Specifically, tater tot hot dish. It's like a casserole.
Okay.
But we call it hot dish.
Thanks very much. I think I'm ready to go and get some food.
Good.
I can smell it. I'm getting hungry. Where should I head to first?
I would head to Top Boss.
After unequivocally accepting Jess's recommendation, we headed straight to our first visit of the day, Top Boss. I wanted to check in with the truck owner, Dan Dockin. Dan, or as we call you here, Tater Tot Boss.
That's correct.
Here in Minnesota, they call it the Tater Tot hot dish. And is it because of that, do you think, you've got the longest line?
I don't know if it's because of the hot dish or because of the tots, but it's because everything's made with love here at Tot Boss.
Is that? Okay, so what are we trying today?
This is the loaded tots. It's our scratch-made gluten-free cheese sauce, bacon crumbles, sour cream and chive over tots. I got a little bit of all, yeah.
It does remind you of a loaded potato, but it's got such a crunch to it.
Right.
And the bacon's nice and crispy as well. That's a great dish.
Crispy and smoky.
Why do you think people in Minnesota love tater tots?
They served them to us in elementary school. My mom made tater tot hot dish growing up. When I started a food truck 8 years ago, I knew it was going to be tater tots.
Now, did you always want to have a food truck?
No, actually, I was a cabinet maker for 30 years.
A cabinet maker?
Yeah.
What do you love about this food truck festival?
The people here are amazing. Minnesotans come out like crazy for these things. They're so much fun.
And this is delicious. Lovely to meet you, Dan. I certainly loaded my tummy with those tots, but we were only scratching the surface of this festival. Dan suggested we try the Rebel Lobster truck. Owner Lena Thomas was nice enough to show us how one of their signature dishes is made. It seems surprising to see a lobster roll in Minnesota.
My husband was born in Maine. I'm an Italian girl born and raised in Minnesota and had never heard of a lobster roll. And when he described it to me, I heard blah, 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 cold lobster, hot dog bun, and I said, nope, not a chance. And then he made one for me, and I was blown away.
And how have the folks here at the festival, do they love it?
They love it, yeah. They find us on social media. They're banging down our door. We can't stay busy enough.
Now, I notice you've got lobster tater tots. I think this would do well in England. It's a real twist on fish and chips because it's got the ocean and it's got the fry. Such brightness from that pico, the lime, the crunch on that tater tot, and the lobster's perfectly cooked. I think we should start making some for the customers. The orders are coming in. 4 ounces of lobster coming up, 3.2, 3.5, 6.7. So we get the tater tots nice and brown, yeah?
Hang them up, let them get a little.
I'm training. Coming, guys. Tossing my tots.
Yeah, you bet.
Lobster's coming on top. Pico de gallo.
So close. Where's magic?
The magic is in the butter. Making sure it goes on that lobster and a little bit on those tater tots. 2 scoops pico de gallo.
Look at that.
How's that? Let's go outside and see what people think of my lobster tater tots.
Come by later when we get busy, you can help.
This is the lobster tater tots. Tell me what your thoughts are. Wow, you went...
Wonderful.
Well, that's a big
I've never had anything like it.
Lana, we're doing good. Tell us what you feel.
fantastic. Oh, I thought the lime really ties it together.
I'm ordering one of those.
I like it a lot. There was still so much more to see and eat. Our next stop, the Butcher's Salt Truck. Owner Jean Hutter was nice enough to share with us one of her best sellers and her amazing smile. Tell us what we've got today.
We have one of our most popular. It is a butcher salt slider. There's 2 of them. Cheese, bacon,
gosh.
chipotle aioli, baby arugula. In the burger is fresh thyme, a toasted bun.
And they're small.
Yeah.
So it's not a big thing. You're not going to stuff yourself.
I'm gonna grab you a napkin. It's the curse of a nice juicy burger, a little.
You know what's coming through? The fresh thyme. That's something you don't normally see in a burger.
True.
Where did your inspiration come from?
Well, I've had a lot of burgers in my day. My favorite ones are the ones that aren't just a patty, so there's more to it.
What made you get a food truck?
It looked like fun. Is that not a good reason to quit your job and
Do you love it?
I love it. You're 6.
And what do you love about this food truck festival?
All of you. Like
Yeah.
all of the people, there's not a sad face. It's just good vibes.
When I see your smile and your passion for food, this is what you're meant to do. It's phenomenal to see. It's making me
you.
smile. Absolutely
Thank
excellent.
you.
I'll let you
Thank
get back to your
I
kitchen.
appreciate it. I appreciate it, yeah.
Thanks, my
Thank
dear.
you.
Absolutely incredible. We got a taste of this earlier, but I really wanted to spend some time asking the festival goers what they've tried today and what they love most about this event. What food have you tried today?
The pizza mac and cheese.
I love mac and cheese. Don't look at me. What do you love about this festival?
The location, the music, the variety, and we all come as a group with friends, so.
That's nice.
The
Ready?
music is great. The food is good so far.
This is fun.
I love hanging out with my girls.
It's nice, isn't it? What's been your favorite food?
We only tried 3 things. I think the egg roll, well, the fish, or the mac and cheese.
So you come.
One of the 3 that we tried.
The best. I like it. As we learned earlier in the day, this event showcases trucks that don't just serve food. And even though this is what America eats, we want to feature some of these amazing businesses on our show as well. Rugged good looks.
Yes.
So at a food truck festival, you can get your hair cut.
So we are a mobile men's salon owned by 2 sisters, me and my sister. She's a hairstylist and I'm the hype girl. But we bought our Airstream in 2017, renovated it last year, and we've been open since June. Get a scalp massage, get shampooed.
Are you loving the festival?
Yes, it's just fun. Just people walking by, and St. Paul though is so pretty with the park and the music like right there. That's probably our favorite one so far. We started in May and we're like, it'll take us a month to gut it and renovate it, and took us all summer.
Really? You're the sister.
I'm the sister.
How's the cut coming?
Looks good so far.
Now tell me, when you set out this morning, did you know you were going to get your hair cut?
No, much not.
An escape room, mobile escape room in the middle of a food festival. How fun!
Oh, it's so fun. We love it. We have Grandma's Attic that you're standing in. We also have another unit, which is Simon Heist. Our particular games, you're not necessarily escaping. You're trying to find objects.
So you give all these clues.
We can give out clues. Sometimes we like to keep them on secret and really like to let the line flourish.
You know what I love about it? You can escape the hot sun. It's nice and cool. You've
Yes.
got a fan in here.
Yes.
I love it. It's
Yes.
brilliant. The food truck business model is built for variety, evident by this amazing group of trucks gathered at this festival. There's literally something here for everyone. Even if you aren't hungry, you can escape from an escape room, get your hair cut, and if that hasn't got your appetite going, I don't know what will. Then you can head to the Top Boss, but I think I might get another basket of those lobster tots to take back to Liverpool. I think it's going to take me a while to escape from this room, so I better say goodbye for now. Until next time, I'm Jon Ashton. This is What America Eats. I'll see you soon.